Instant Pot chicken breast. This is one of my favorite ways to do some meal prep because I'll cook a package of chicken, take out what I need for the next meal, and then freeze the other half or 2/3 so that I can come back and have a quick meal ready with the chicken. I've already prepared my chicken breast. I like to take a package and then cut it into smaller strips just so it's quicker cooking. These are already thawed. This recipe that I like to use actually has steps for fresh or frozen, or thawed or frozen, and it also goes by the weight of the chicken breast. So if you don't want to cut up your chicken breast and you want whole chicken breast, then there's some guidance on how many ounces to cook for. So anyway, we'll go ahead and put the chicken into our Instant Pot. Now the recipe recommends using pineapple juice to help tenderize the chicken and to add some flavor. I like to do mine just as generic as possible so that I can take the chicken and then add in spices and whatever recipe. So all I like to add is a cup of water, or chicken broth if you want to use chicken broth, and a teaspoon of chicken base. Now we'll put the lid on, turn it on to pressure cook, and since mine are really small pieces, I'm just going to cook it for 6 minutes on high pressure, and that's also because they're thawed.